Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix bet placement error in BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar type in betmgm.com. Once you type in that, press enter. And then it will ask you to select your location. So from this list, select your location carefully, and then it will take you to this page. In this page, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on this register button. Once you have your account, click on the login button, and then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. Once you enter those, click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you are logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner. Now, from this menu, click on this option where it says Help Center, and then click on FAQ and Customer Care. After that, click on this Contact Us button and then select Email. Now, it will ask you to enter your email address, subject, and describe your problem. Once you have entered your email address, click on Subject and then select Unable to Play. Now, in this text area, explain your problem. You can type in something like this, and then you can also upload a screenshot of the problem by clicking on this link or just dragging and dropping it here. Once you have done so, click on the submit button and your application will be submitted. And once they review your application, they might ask you to provide some details. Provide them with all the necessary details and they will provide you with a solution. Until they provide a solution, you can't do anything. You just have to wait for their response. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.